Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Hey folks, how are you? Greetings from the channel again. The cryptocurrency market is booming. Everything is going as planned. Shiba, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies are all up. And for that reason, I dispatched Spieler. I already knew on Monday that this week was going to be great. This week brought us a wealth of data demonstrating the health of the economy and the slow but steady decline in inflation. And by doing so, a great deal of uncertainty is eliminated, enabling these investors to begin investing in riskier assets like cryptocurrency. Additionally, there are more bank failures occurring concurrently. So, whether you can believe it or not, another bank is on the verge of failing. As fears grow, Republic Bank first experiences a fresh free fall. So on Tuesday, which was yesterday, it decreased by 50%. Accordingly, it was stated that clients made deposits totaling $100 billion in the first quarter. Therefore, it would be extremely horrible if you witnessed the decline in their stock price. And it's currently taking place. People become increasingly unsure about the nature of fiat money as more banks begin to fail. They move on to other assets, where individuals buy gold and Bitcoin. And as a result, Bitcoin has been getting more expensive. There are many distinct elements that influence it. However, these factors show us that there is data available, and since it is all public knowledge, I believe it is possible to foresee some of these significant occurrences. It is certainly impossible to foresee all that will occur at any given moment. However, if you give yourself a little more wiggle room and slack, it becomes quite simple to foresee what will happen. And if you can buy cryptocurrency at a low price and decide, okay, I'll hold for a week or two, or whenever it goes back up, then you're making money. Then you're in the black. Your current situation allows you to purchase low and sell high whenever you desire. If your goal is to, set a time frame that says, oh, I need to sell by this date, it's going to be too hard because of how unpredictable cryptocurrency is. But at the same time, if you open up your time frame and you say, okay, as long as it goes up within the next couple of months or so, you'll always be making good trades. You can consistently make significant gains if you buy low and then wait for the price to rise in the grain. In light of this, we can see that Bitcoin prices are rising and are poised to surpass 30,000. Shiba Inus are once more doing incredibly well. Shiba Inu has been leaking a lot of excellent news lately, including the possibility of the Shib launching soon. This is significant news, especially for the Shiba Inu ecosystem's microcap tokens. Koyo, POS Swap Do, Dogpad, and a ton of other tokens that I want to base my project off of. I can't think of them all off the top of my head, should all be barium. A lot of these tokens also want to base their projects off of Shiba Inu and Shibarium, which is obviously a much bigger one. However, when Shiba is released, all of these tokens will be very valuable. However, as of right now, not so much. However, the value will triple and quadruple after Shibarium is released. And all of a sudden, amid those tokens, there will be, an altcoin season. As a result, I'm keeping a close eye on Shibarium because I think there are plenty of opportunities for profit there. Like I indicated, there is a large Shiba Inu community within the program. Additionally, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of our favorite coins, the top 20 tokens, which we never miss out on. Most of my money is invested in these as well. And within this, there are numerous opportunities. You see, Bitcoins are up 8%. That's not too terrible today for earning 8% in a single day. I mean, it wouldn't be too horrible if you invested your money in the stock market and made 8% on your entire portfolio within a year. However, to make 8% one day is amazing. So that's what we're here for. The saying, slow and steady wins the race. Kind of applies here. However, if you go cautiously with cryptocurrency, it won't take long. It moves really quickly. In reality, if you behave wisely, do your homework, and purchase low whenever the price drops, you'll sell high and be shrewd about it. The finest talent for cryptocurrency is actually experience, and the only way to properly acquire that expertise is to have experience. If you're new to cryptocurrency, the market fluctuates, and you panic. However, if you're like me and have been watching the market every single day for about 10 years, you are aware of its ups and downs and are unfazed by it. As a result, it enables you to make the finest choices and transactions. That's why it functions too. Therefore, the best advice I can give you is to simply get experience and open doors. I always try to start out investing little, a few dollars here and there, whatever you're prepared to lose, because you have to recognize that there is a lot of danger involved with cryptocurrency. You can never predict what will occur. Therefore, start small so that you may experiment and learn how the market functions. Once you feel comfortable, scale up. However, never jump in and start investing money right away while you're just getting started. It's not a good idea, I promise. Hey, the markets are currently down but will soon be rising again. And indeed, that is what took place. Thus, that is what we enjoy doing. Let's make the most of these chances. Guys, let's work together to make some money. And I'll find out in the following.